Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture within your Ubisoft account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubisoft.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Ubisoft website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, click on the account icon once again and then click on Account Management. This will then take you into your account settings page. Now go ahead and click on Account Information and now you will see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on the Edit button at the bottom right corner of your picture and you will now be able to choose your desired avatar. You can click on the drop-down menu to choose from various different categories of games. And after choosing your desired profile picture, you can click on the Choose button and it will now be set up as your profile image right away. You can change this at any time if you wish by coming back into the same menu and making your desired choice. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture within the Ubisoft Connect account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.